You ever seen a flame frozen in time? Watch as these blues ignite and transform into a swirling vortex of color. Welcome back to the channel where every pour tells a story. Today's creation is bold, mysterious, and full of energy. I was inspired by the ideal of portals, gateways to new worlds. The way colors interact in fluid art reminds me that every step in life is a transition into something beautiful and unknown. I started with a rich black base, covering the canvas evenly to create depth. Then I layered different shades of blue in a circular pattern to build a sense of motion and energy. In case you're new here, acrylic pouring is a technique where fluid acrylic paints are layered and moved across the surface to create mesmerizing abstract designs. No brush required. Stay tuned as the air dryer pushes the colors outward. Watch how the pour begins to breathe with life. Isn't it fascinating how even chaos can create order? That's the beauty of art. It teaches us to trust the flow. Using gentle bursts of air, I pushed the paint outward from the center. The colors stretched and intertwined, forming what I felt like a living blue flame. If this piece sparked your imagination, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly pours. And as always, stay creative and keep pouring. And here it is, a vibrant portal of blues glowing like fire against the black. Doesn't it feel like you could step right into it?